I'm doing great as usual. Out here chilling in pretty much my front yard. This is a nice little waterfall. Get somebody to make a good picture up here. Should get a little bit bigger today once this rain comes on in and be running pretty good. Pretty little area. I love it up here in the hills. Today, what I'm going to do is let you hear one of my impressions. I like doing impressions. This is one of many that I do, and I believe you might like it. It's kind of funny. I like the dude. I know you know who he is. Everybody does. Really good show. Anyway, let me see if I can do a little imitation.
Boy, it sure is such a pretty day out here. I wish all y'all could come in and enjoy all this beautiful stuff with me right now. Maybe one day we can meet up and you can. I would be happy to give you a tour of this whole place if you want to see it. Well, maybe I can't give everybody a tour, but I can point you in the direction to go there, boys. Anyway, I hope all y'all have a good day, and I will talk to y'all later. I'm just gonna have a really good day because I gotta go to work and do some tattoos, boys. For all y'all, don't go whacking in my shed, because I'll run you out, boys.
Hope y'all enjoyed that little impression. Right now, I guess I'm just going to give you a little tour, kind of show you where I live. Later on, we'll get back to doing more funny stuff because that's what I like to do. It's about enjoying life. But right now, I'm going to give y'all a little tour where I live and let you see how pretty this place is. What I'll do is I'll start walking out of here. I have a little bit of climb to do. So if I'm out of breath by the time this is over with, that's because I'm old. I'm probably out of shape. We'll see. Y'all cross your fingers, I don't want to slide down. Just a little slick from the rain. I'm going to get up here a little bit and I'll give y'all a better view of this waterfall from a different angle. Look at that shit. Beautiful. Up here. And there's where I was at down there. Alright. Upwards and onwards. Be careful right here, it's a long way down. Probably going faster than normal people would. That's because I've got hillbilly blood in me. I can climb these mountains pretty good. I got the breath, but I ain't quick. Here's another view. Well, that's way down there. I wouldn't be making another video if I fell right here. I'll just put it that way. This edge. Oh boy. Woo. All the way down. Just look at that though. That's absolutely beautiful. Now it's time for me to get ready to go to work. I will see you guys soon. Hope you like this video. If you like it, up thumb it and share it please. Subscribe to my page. Lots more stuff to come.